So, what are the job profiles are there for grad students or those who are studying for instrumentation, those who are studying in instrumentation and controls?
So, what according to you are some good companies that juniors can aim for while looking for an internship?
General Mills, OneSubsea, and Danfoss, Emerson. So,
How did you handle the pressure?
patience, honestly.
Would you like to suggest those who are in 12th right now, would you like to suggest them to go for instrumentation?
There's a lot of scope, and it's an interdisciplinary branch, so
So today we have our first guest, Isha Madhavan, an upcoming intern at OneSubsea. Being an excellent volleyball player, she's training and placement officer at Cummins College. Right now, she's actively being part of Automation Club and TEDx. She was part of ESA Yukta Club. Welcome, Isha. Welcome to Intern Tell's Journey Through Interviews.
We have with us our next guest, Sneha Ranade, who is an upcoming intern at General Mills. And she is also a part of Automation Club and Biomedical Club, and she is an NCC cadet as well.
Hello, Isha.
Hi.
Hello, Sneha. Welcome to Intern Tell's Journey Through Interviews.
Thank you for having me.
Yes.
I'm Rishika, your host, and this is Akshay.
Shruta.
who will also be hosting.
Nervous?
Okay.
So पहले थोड़ा formal questions पूछ लेते हैं फिर we'll be having
An audience.
audience segment. Questions जो audience से आए हैं आपके लिए, जो उनके doubts हैं internship के बारे में. Okay. So let's start. So अभी CSIT का evaluation criteria है DSA mainly coding. तो अभी कोर के लिए इंस्ट्रू के लिए क्या है इवैल्यूएशन पैटर्न और क्राइटेरिया?
So Instru के लिए so mainly basics are very important. So the second year subjects are very important like sensors और फिर third year subjects PLC, IoT. So basically the basics itself are important. There's no such criteria like DSA, but I would suggest the upcoming students to like be ready with your basics. So that is quite important.
Can you share with us some specific technical skills or knowledge areas you suggest that students focus on while preparing for interviews?
Well, it doesn't depend on any specific criteria. It depends on the company you want to apply to and what mainly your interests lie in. So I feel like whatever you're interested in, you should refine that or polish that more and stick to that because it doesn't matter कि company मतलब सभी कंपनी को तो नहीं अप्लाई कर सकते तुम एंड it depends also कि कंपनी का क्राइटेरिया क्या है. So it won't always be the case कि oh I learned this but company को sometimes they need something else completely which is completely different. So I feel like you should whatever you like, whatever you feel like you should pursue, just refine that and polish that.
Okay, great. So we know actually through the interviews कि CSIT और ENTC वालों के लिए like coding के लिए क्या road map है. So we don't know the road map for core subjects. So will you be guiding us through the road map juniors के लिए कि वो कैसे prepare कर सकते हैं internship के लिए thoroughly? What will be the road map?
There's no such roadmap exactly, but again the subjects which they have introduced for us, I would say keep like try to master those subjects because that is very important and that would be enough actually because that is what the company expects from us because
So the college curriculum is enough.
I mean of course some extracurricular reading would do, but whatever college and our department is doing, that is actually really sufficient.
And it's most of the girls have had the same experience कि when our seniors tell us कि हाँ सिर्फ subjects करो that will be enough, we don't really realize the importance of it कि हाँ सिर्फ subject की है but what could I do more, you always have that thought. But all the interview questions that I've heard till now are like plainly dependent on whatever the teachers have taught us and whatever जैसे exam के questions आते हैं ना वैसे ही होते हैं technical questions.
So what subjects taught in college are you think are of more importance? कुछ ऐसे सब्जेक्ट्स जो बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, कुछ करो ना करो लेकिन वो तो करना ही है ऐसे सब्जेक्ट्स?
So I guess AD, PLC,
Sensors and transducers.
Sensors and transducers, that is very
Actually-
important. That's the most important actually.
When they ask for basics, it's mostly basics of all electronics and analogs. So second year के first semester के subjects are very important, and maybe third year के first semester के, because that's when they start introducing कि industry में क्या काम होता है and what you are expected to do when you go into a workplace. So I feel like those subjects are important.
So were there any hurdles or unexpected challenge you encountered during your internship period? So, preparing for internship.
Honestly speaking, everyone is aware that there are like limited number of companies that are for us. So that was itself a hurdle. But whatever, that was a hurdle, and rest so you have to study, and like that's all up to you. So
And honestly, it's not that hard. मतलब ऐसे if you think about it, hurdles सोचे गए तो there are not many. Just the companies. If you don't want college की companies and you want to look for internships outside, then that might be a challenge for you. But through the college, it's quite
thankfully,
easy.
yeah.
So what are some resources or websites you referred for your preparation internship के लिए?
I would say Geeks for Geeks. That was really helpful, and IEEE, there are like research papers and a lot of thorough information is there. So
And कुछ नहीं हो तो very honestly, ChatGPT.
yeah,
I mean,
actually.
if you take whatever concepts that are taught and put them on ChatGPT, sometimes you don't understand what's taught. It's very easy to understand and study using ChatGPT rather just copying from it.
Very thankful that it exists हमारे engineering के time.
True. So to stand out differently among others, what was there on your resume?
So both of us were like a lot into extracurricular activities. So I myself am a tennis player, a national tennis player, and apart from that I am an NCC cadet in the Air Wing, and I play lawn tennis. But that quite helped because your personality is different, and plus there are like many activities on the resume, so you easily get picked up, and so that's like there's more probability of you getting picked up. That's actually what happened with me. All of our resumes were collected, but then my name was picked first for the interview because of the resume, and so that quite helps being an extracurricular.
So ऐसा भी कुछ होता है कि resume का ये alignment ऐसा होना चाहिए, वैसा होना चाहिए. So कुछ points
so
हैं.
if you're like going through the campus placements, for internships, so there's a format given by the college itself, so you have to follow that.
I'd say कि it also depends on who's going to look at your resume as well. Because in my experience, I had an elective as biomedical engineering, which is a little uncommon since engineering कर रहे हैं, so bio क्यों करेंगे? But the person who interviewed me or the person who looked at my resume himself was someone from a biomedical background. So I feel like that helped him to pick my resume more.
So you should know who is going to look at your resume, so accordingly you should prepare.
Even like companies के हिसाब से भी resume काफी change होता है.
Depends on the role and everything.
So what are like some commonly asked questions interviews इंस्ट्रू के लिए?
And sensors or transducers जैसे हमने कहा, the subject is very important. So उसके सारे basics की अगर for example they give you a situation कि they'll tell you कि suppose you are in some industry or some plant, and then they'll ask you कि which sensors would be needed, or maybe they'll give you a type of sensor and they'll ask you the specifications कि for this certain situation what specifications would you need. Or other than that, maybe some types of controllers कि since it's instrumentation and control, which controllers would you use, or which type of accessories would you use for the plant, and how you control the parameters basically, maybe those questions could be asked.
Sensors and controllers are important.
Very much.
What are the job profiles are there for Instru grad students or those who are studying for instrumentation, those who are studying in instrumentation and control engineering?
So my job profile is it's actually in supply chain, and that is engineering solutions. And
Mine is in implant training. So other than that, we have a few research internships. So we have titles for them as well.
and there is GET, basically graduate engineer training. So that
Mostly them.
again depends on the company.
So we know there are a lot of companies that come for internships. So what according to you are some good companies that juniors can aim for while looking for an internship?
Actually, the depends on the market. Every year, some companies don't come because of say recession or some other issues. But so I guess I would say General Mills, OneSubsea, and Danfoss, Emerson. So these are like core companies, and so I would suggest the juniors to like aim for this.
Emerson actually recruits most of our Instru batch. So I tell students to juniors to look out for that as well.
What are you expecting from your internship? The role you have got right now from that?
So I just hope that I get to learn a lot, and honestly speaking, I do hope that I get to convert that internship into a job. So like I hope I get a PPO, and just to like get to know how the environment is, because this will be like our first times working in a MNC, in an MNC. So that, and just gaining more knowledge
Hands-on experience.
and experience. Yeah.
I guess just that, and maybe to network with more people, more industry people, to increase maybe my connect.
So handling the pressure of waiting for an internship is can be indeed challenging as they come less frequently. So how did you handle the pressure?
Patience.
Honestly, if you want to if you're really interested in doing an internship and you don't want to wait for the college, you can look for them outside as well. But people who have tried know how hard it is to get an internship outside the college. So I guess it's just honestly patience. You'll have to wait for whatever opportunity you get.
And both of you are into like sports. So did you think that helped a lot with like
Yes,
carrying
definitely. I mean, with like say handling pressure or like, so like we know what we were going through, and like I think that to cope up with
The anxiety.
anxiety or the stress, that our sports and other activities really are helpful.
They've gone through it. So
Yeah,
you
exactly.
must
So-
know that.
How dealing with rejections or loss, that
Honestly, playing some sport in my experience is really helpful for character development. So whenever companies ask for the people who would work well in teams or who might be a little outgoing, I feel like sports people get picked up more because they have experience in those areas.
yeah.
So अभी आप इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन एंड कंट्रोल इंजीनियरिंग कर रहे हो कमेंस कॉलेज में. So would you like to suggest those who are in 12th right now, would you like to suggest them to go for instrumentation or not?
Of course, I mean, people who are not really into coding and software, this is a really nice branch, and like it's a huge, there's a lot of scope, and it's an interdisciplinary branch. So people who really like building say robots or basically electronics, so I'd really suggest them to.
क्योंकि those students are there who are thinking कि क्यों भी जाना है इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन में, and there are literally बहुत कम कॉलेज है जो इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन रखते हैं ब्रांच. So we are one of them. So
intake फिर भी like it's not as much as should be.
It's a fair question, honestly. Like, even when we were getting into college, many people asked me what instrumentation exactly is. Some of my friends still don't know, honestly. But as like honestly through the years, whatever experience I've had till now, it's a like as she said, a really good interdisciplinary field. So it gives you a lot of exposure, and you can literally work anywhere you want in any field you want, as long as it's a technical domain, obviously.
And you can always like switch to coding and other
Yeah.
because if you're a computer engineer, you can't come to mechanical or instru. But being instru or mechanical, you can always, if you don't really like it, you can always switch to.
Because they honestly teach you everything from like parts from all domains. So even we have to code at times, even we have to do electrical things, mechanical के भी subjects होते हैं. So it's a mix of everything, and it's honestly good experience.
Super interesting.
So there is future with instrumentation. You can go with it, guys.
What according to you are some like common misconceptions that people might have about this field?
Misconceptions. People just think कि there are less companies, so and the packages are not that hefty or something. But I'd suggest कि if you really like this field, then you should just have patience and think of it as a long term. So
Being a girl, even people or society, you can say, ask कि तू क्यों करी है मैकेनिकल और इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन इंजीनियरिंग, इट्स नॉट योर कोर. सो ऐसा आपने कुछ फेस किया था? That's great.
yeah, that's what.
I've heard it for mechanical people a lot, but instru के लिए not much. Because honestly, they don't know field में है क्या, so they don't have much opportunity to judge, honestly.
So guys, let's start with an audience segments. So questions audience ने आपके लिए पूछे. So what is the minimum CGPA criteria required?
Depends on the companies, but 6.5 to 7.
What are your favorite sensors to work with?
Flow sensors are
Temperature sensors, there are Arduino boards, they're nice to work with.
Weirdest nickname you gave to your instrument?
not give any honestly.
Okay.
Did you?
If you could make an instrument talk, which one would it be?
All. I would love
Honestly,
that.
none of them work enough to give me a proper output.
Okay. So which instrument you would never work with? Like you would never love to work with?
None, honestly, all of them are quite easy to work with.
Not easy, but
We're used to them
you
now.
get used to. Yeah,
What motivated you to not give up?
I guess. Getting good marks or something.
So what makes different what makes instru students different from the rest crowd?
We're very creative, and we're honestly, we know lots about different fields, so we don't stick to a singular domain. So you can ask us about anything, we'll probably find an answer for you.
So we are done with the audience segments. These are the questions. Thank you.